That's how we do it when we come to pick up a load or deliver the load. That's how we do it. Back up, put that on the box. Put that trailer, that box trailer, and the box through the door. Look how fun this is. But you have to know what you're doing. You have to know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you can't do it like that. You can't do it like that. Less than 5 miles per hour. Less than 5. If you go faster than that, you're not gonna make it. You'll be in trouble. That is a student driver. He's not even the truck driver yet. That's a good student driver. See that? Boom. He get it. We come to pick up a load at the shipper. You see? All these trailer, truck, trailer, and container right here, they loaded. Loaded or unload. All this right here. Now he stop. He stop. He go back, get out the truck, go back in the trailer to open the door. He go to open the door. Yeah, that's good. That's how we do it. See? Goal. Goal. Get out, look before backing. Get out, look. But when you are a good driver, you don't have to. You don't have to. If you got plenty space to do your backing knowledge, you have knowledge, just back this box through the door. That's it. Alright guys, Rhoda. Bye bye.